Hi guys, we're here at the Torrey Pines Hilton for the Girl Scouts San Diego to honor some cool women. I was invited by a very close friend of mine and board member, Ron Giannati, to celebrate his business partner, Robin Toft, and 5 other powerful women who are giving back to the community. Let's go check it out.
Hi there, Robin Toft, CEO of Toft Group Executive Search, now ZRG Partners, and co-founder of We Can Rise. When you get there, don't rush to get there, but in the STEM careers, science and technology, nothing but opportunities. We have a talent crisis for the next 5 or 10 years. By the time you get there, you will have so many opportunities to choose from. So just, do what you love, and we'll see you when you get there.
Now, the current chapter for Robin is We Can Rise, a startup that Robin built to help women grow and develop leadership roles in the biotech and life sciences. Through We Can Rise, she is committed to inspiring high-driven career women to confidently reach their full potential, while also collaborating to build healthier companies that are changing the world. Her first book, We Can, The Executive Woman's Guide to Career Advancement, one of the 100 best CEO books of all time, and she recently published her second book, Guts and All You Do to Empower Women in the Biotech and Life Sciences.
I couldn't be more excited than to be here. I'm so inspired by all of these women, and I want to thank personally each and every one of you who is supporting the elevation of women worldwide. Diversity is in demand and everybody wants you. If there's one takeaway, we have a talent crisis in life sciences and tech for the next 5 to 10 years, and you all are the answer. My connection to Girl Scouts started back in Michigan as a brownie, and it developed my love for the outdoors, bonfires, and marshmallows, and science. So from there, the best advice I ever got was when I read a book. Here's our common theme, Abby. Read a book called Do What You Love and the Money Will Follow. And honest to God, that has driven me through my whole career. You can stop at do what you love, and I've invited every woman here today to do that. I am very clear that actions based on love and not fear are always the right choice and the answer to great success. And my definition of success is giving and receiving as much love as you can. So I know everyone here is here for that purpose. I am so thankful to all my table mates, the people who have spent this journey called life with me so far, some of my new friends and my old friends, and everyone who came here today to support me. I want to extend a special thank you to Ron Giannati, my business partner and board member, and Girl Scouts, to Donna Owen, my greatest, longest friend on the mountain, and to Michelle Mullen, who I've known for 35 years and is now also employed by the Girl Scouts. Carol and your board, you are doing amazing work. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate it.